Hey, welcome to American Guy in Pattaya. I know we've already done some soys. We're gonna go down here to soy number 1, which is at pretty much the base of Beach Road. And to be brutally honest with you, that's it. So this video is gonna be really short because there's really nothing going on here until you get down to Second Road. So if you're thinking about venturing down to soy 1 looking for a little bit of excitement, I hate to throw water on your fire or to rain on your parade, but soy 1 until you get down to Second Road really is nothing. So this is going to be a short, and thanks for stopping in. We'll see you again soon on another soy. American Guy in Pattaya, hit that like button please, and we'll see you. Bye.